Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Pusalla. Today I came with another new trick. 101 plus 102 plus 103 up to 200. The sum of 101 to 200. Okay, so in this first it is called A. A equal to 101. Last number it is L. L equal to 200. Okay, n equal to 100. Okay, so the sum of 101 to 200 formula n by 2 into a plus l. How much n? 100 by 2 a 101 plus l 200. 100 by 2 means 50. 101 plus 200 301. 301 into 50. 5 1s are 5. 5 zeros. 5 3s are 15. 0. So this is the answer. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.